Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as you have just seen in the title, I'll be showing you how to copy and paste using a shortcut on your keyboard. The only thing we shall be doing is we shall be using Ctrl plus C and Ctrl plus V. So let me just show you an example. Let's say I want to copy this sentence here, which begins in row up to the word despite. I will just use the normal right click and then drag up to the word despite there, and then I will just press Ctrl plus C for copy, like that one. Let's say I want to paste this in a new tab. I'll just come to this new tab, and then I will just press Ctrl plus V for paste, not P. Ctrl and V at once, and there you go, it pasted in row tabs billionaires, and it goes up to the word despite. So also another trick you can use this one is when you are like trying to copy MAC address which you can't copy using this button. Is it right or left? The right, then you select the copy button. So let me just show you how you do it. You just use the normal thing, right click, you drag the MAC address there, and then you need to just to press Ctrl and C. Ctrl plus C for copy, guys. Let's say you want to paste this, you want maybe like to disable this MAC address, or maybe you want to paste this in a new tab. You shall just come to new tab, we delete this one, come on, we delete, and then we shall just use the word Ctrl plus V for paste, guys. Ctrl and V, and you can see it just appears. Just that simple, guys. So guys, before I close the video, I wanted to make it as short as possible, and I have done that. So please guys, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe and like the video, share the video, guys. Subscribe, turn on the post notification bell, everything, guys. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye for now.